Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to use FlixBus. For that, make sure to watch the video till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. FlixBus is an easy and quick way to buy bus and train tickets online and travel across various countries. There are over 40 plus countries and 2300 destinations in FlixBus, including major cities in United States, Canada, and Mexico. So go ahead and open a web browser of your choice and in the search bar type in www.flixbus.com, then hit the enter button. Then you'll be redirected to a page interface something like this. In this page, in the top bar below the search bar, you can see various options with a drop-down icon such as plan your journey. Putting the cursor on it, a menu like this will pop up on your screen where you can see route map, all bus destinations, and vacation ideas. On the second, you can see services where you can manage your booking and see all the services on board, reduce mobility and sustainability. You can even manage your booking. You can see real-time info and finally help if you need any help during the use of FlixBus. So you can see an English option in the right upper corner. Click on it to select your language preference. Then you can see bus travel in the US from just $4.99. So you can see that here you can buy bus tickets by selecting your trips. You can either select one way or the round trip. You can select the destination where you want to go from and go to just by clicking on it. Click on it, select your place, then click on it to select your destination. Click on departure time to select your departure time. After you're done selecting your departure time, select on passenger to select how many people will be traveling with you. Then finally, you can see a search button in a yellow color besides passenger. Click on the search button and after that, you'll be loaded to a page where you can see various options of traveling from bus available. You can see various times and you can even see the lowest price to the highest price. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to click on the time and price that's suitable for you. After you click on it, you'll be redirected to a page something like this. In this page, give the name of the passengers, then scroll down and click on select your seat, and a menu like this will slide from your right side and click on the seat you prefer. The cross marks are the seats that have already been booked and the green color is your seat. So after that, scroll down and see if you want any extras such as add more baggage and offset your trip. You can just offset your trip by clicking on the box besides offset your trip. After you're done with everything, give your contact by scrolling down. It's required to give your email, but giving your phone number is optional. Now finally, in the fifth, you'll have to make a payment option and click on any circle besides the payment option you find suitable. After that, in the right lower, you can see a pay now option. Just click on that pay now option and proceed with paying and then your ticket will be booked. So that was how you purchase a ticket. Now let's move on to planning your journey. As I've said before, you can see a route map by clicking on the route map option and then you'll be redirected to a page something like this. In this page, we'll have to keep the destination from and to like we did before, and then we'll be able to see the route map of your trip. You can also see all bus destinations by clicking on it and you can choose the country from over 40 plus countries and endless cities. Now to see vacation ideas, just click on it and you can see various options of vacations ideas from FlixBus. You can even manage your booking by putting your cursor on the service and clicking on manage my booking in the second option. Just click on go to manage my booking in this page to manage your booking. And then finally click on real-time info. Clicking on this info will redirect you to a page something like this, and in this page you can track your trip. You can see the informations about departures and arrival by typing in your stop and booking number and hitting the search button besides it. So this is how you use your FlixBus.com. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.